Hello, my dear student. I hope all you are fine. So, I am Rajamani Ali. Today on 7th of May, I am going to start your class 4 EVS first lesson, the human body. So, the human body is like a perfect machine. So, like a machine, our body is made up of different components or parts known as organs. So, every organ work different ways. Okay. So, the skeletal system. So, what is the skeleton? The skeleton is the framework of bones in our body. So, when a baby is born with 300 bones, as the baby grows up, the bones join together. An adult has 206 bones. The bones in our head from the skull that protects the brain. So in our brain, what type of bones also be protect? That type of bones made one skull system. So the ribcage protects lungs and heart. Our backbone or vertebrae is made up of 33 bones. The bones are held together at joints. So when at what places bones are made, these places are called joints. So the joints help us to move and bend in different ways. For example, our elbows and knees. The muscular system. So what is the muscular system? Our body has about 650 muscles. The muscles are attached to the bones and together they make all the movement in our body, like bending the arms, knees, etc. There are two types of muscles, voluntary and involuntary. So what is voluntary muscle and what is involuntary muscles? So voluntary muscles we can control it. For example, the muscles in our arms, legs, fingers and toes are called voluntary muscles. But what type of muscles we cannot be controlled, that type of muscles called involuntary muscles. So for example, that our heart, chest, eyes muscles. Then the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart lies in the chest under the rib cage. The heart pumps blood to all parts of our body through blood vessels. Blood vessels called veins, being impure blood from different parts of the body to the heart. The heart sends blood to the lungs to be purified. Purified blood then comes back to the heart to be pumped to the rest of the body through blood vessels called arteries. Arteries also carry oxygen and food to different parts of the body. So in circulatory system, some parts of our body also be purify our blood, and they can also be sending another places. Okay, so that type of blood purifying system is called that circulatory system. Okay, so then the respiratory system. So what is the respiratory system? So the respiratory system enables us to breathe. The air we breathe in through the nose or mouth goes down the windpipe. The windpipe is connected to our lungs. The lungs absorb oxygen, which is then transported to all parts of the body. The lungs receive impure blood which contains carbon dioxide. We exhale the carbon dioxide through our nose. This process is called respiration. So with the help of nose and mouth, we can also be breathe, and we can also be collect the oxygen. Then we can send into our lungs. Then in lungs they can also be in lungs absorb. Then lungs also be absorb oxygen, and they can also be sending to another parts of the they can also be sending oxygen to another parts of our body. So this one oxygen or carbon dioxide purifying system is called that the respiratory system. Okay, so now bye. After watching the video, subscribe our school channel, press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and like my videos. Thank you.